What's up, guys? Intricate Explorer here today. I'm an adventure photographer, and today we're at the fantabulous Emerald Lake. It is day 2 of the Rocky Mountain National Park excursion. Here with Haley's Voyage. And it's gonna be freaking sweet. Fuck, guys. I don't think there's any parking up here. This place is fucking packed with cars. Found a spot, guys. Perfect.
That was convenient.
This guy just pulled out right in front of us. Literally luck of the draw. There was like 10 cars in front of us and he just happened to do it right when we were pulling up. This, my friends, is the benefit of chasing sunsets, is everyone's always leaving when you're showing up. I don't get why people don't go hiking later. It's completely ridiculous to me. All right, guys, after a quick power nap, we are off on our way to Emerald Lake. Stop telling me what to do. Yeah, no one here is from Colorado. Got fucking Michigan, got fucking Texas, got fucking Minnesota, got fucking California, got fucking Illinois, got fucking Kansas. All right, folks, Emerald Lake, 1.8 miles. Oh, look at that. Little beaver over there. Crazy views out here, guys. Look at that. Guys, this wonderful blue jay just ran right across the middle of the trail, and I've been chasing it for like 20 minutes. I finally got a solid shot of it. Check this thing out. Check this lake, guys. It's called Nymph Lake. Freaking beautiful. Look at that. It's like a saw.
A saw? Oh, like the T.
Yeah. Dream Lake. Look at this lake, guys. It's like I'm dreaming. This is what I catch Haley doing when I'm off taking photos. So it's kind of funny, I've lived in Colorado my whole life, and this is apparently one of the most popular trails in Colorado, and I've never done it. So I'm a little baffled. The rocks, the light's hitting that mountain just right, so we're rushing our butts off to get to the top before it's gone forever. Oh my God, guys, we're at the end. Look how tall that mountain is. There's a pinky finger for scale. All right, guys, just strap my wide angle on. I'm gonna go over here a little bit more. So I feel like I'm too close to the water here. Definitely a little bit difficult of a shoot. This is actually one of the worst times of day to shoot at this place. And I didn't know that. A lot of times you don't know that till you show up. But as you can see, the sun is setting behind it. So it's basically blowing out the sky and then just casting a shadow across this. So it's hard to get a photo that looks good of the entire mountain in this kind of situation. So I gotta improvise a little bit. All right, guys, here's a nice landscape shot right here. I like these rocks because I can fit them all in the frame and they're lit up fairly nicely. So I'm gonna keep these ones in frame. Notice I have the same distance over here and here. This is the foreground, and then I got the main subject here, and then I'm gonna do a sky replacement later on. Check this shot out. If you've watched any of my other vlogs, a lot of times I'll just take random photos of the sky for moments like this. Because there's sometimes I'll be on a shoot where the sky looks good, but I don't have a normal landscape to take a photo of. And then vice versa, like now I have a great landscape but no sky. So now I could combine those two efforts into one shot. All right, I'm gonna go find Haley because I have no idea where the fuck she is. She could be anywhere in these mountains. Here she is. Glad I brought my wide angle lens because I definitely can't really fit this on my 24-70. All right, we're gonna start heading back. Yeah, that's all I gotta say right now. All right, guys, we made it back to the van. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, sub. Check out my Patreon if you want to see me edit the photos in this vlog, including how I did the sky replacement. And I will see you guys tomorrow, or in a couple days. Peace. Whoop.